Oh, hey everyone, look at this. Brand new engine, brand new turbo, and it sounds terrible, doesn't it? It sounds terrible. Why? Because the BFE kit didn't come from me. It was just some water pump, probably aftermarket bearings, aftermarket timing belt, idler, tensioner, the drive belt, the bearings, the pulleys, and it's just squeaky. People, please watch the video, subscribe, turn the bell on. Poor man pays twice. If you like noisy, squeaky engines like this, and the opportunity to put all genuine parts on there was just had with free labour, but of course, because it was just done recently, not a poor man, but didn't want to pay twice. So, and that's the thing, just stick with the genuine parts. Monday morning, 7:30 AM, just shoot that text message through for the BFE kit, the injector kit, or your front wheel bearing assemblies. And like I said in the other video, where to buy all your parts, everything else you know where to get it. There's a quick one for you. Hope you liked it. Hit the like button, subscribe, turn the bell on, and get the Gates belt. Get the Gates belt if you like a bit of squeaking. We're just bleeding the cooling system. Beautiful. Other than that.